Is that the Moo? Who is that? Who is that? Is that the Moo? We got that in a white elephant gift exchange last night. Hi, baby. Hi. You want to say hi to Nana? Hi, gorgeous. Hi, you're so close. Hi, love. My Mr. Walken. We just had breakfast. We had oatmeal with bananas and oranges and pineapple.